Up and down the Texas coast, students are diving into hands-on experiences that connect science, community, and the environment. Through the Texas Sea Grant Community Engaged Internship Program, students from all backgrounds are gaining the real-world experience and mentorship needed to launch careers in marine science and related industries. Every field of study is welcome, and every student brings a unique perspective to the work.
My name is Juliet Cattell.
My name is Adam Yin.
I'm Rebecca Arcos, and I am working with Texas Sea Grant.
Texas Sea Grant interns get hands-on experience across the program's 4 main focus areas, from sustainable fisheries and aquaculture to resilient communities and economies.
My internship this summer is recreational fisheries outreach. So I go out to fishing tournaments and other events in the community and teach anglers about sustainable fishing practices and just ways they can be better stewards to the environment.
Interns don't just learn the science, they see how it supports coastal sustainability and real economic benefit for Texas communities.
My main project that I'm doing here is with oyster harvesting, and one of the things that we're doing is going to the Natural Conservancy oyster project out there in Galveston, and we'll do quarterly resampling that happens in July and in September. Try to get all the stakeholders and restoration practitioners. That way they all get together and we talk about advancing the restoration efforts that are currently going on.
That collaboration between scientists, community, and industry is at the heart of Texas Sea Grant's work.
I worked with the low-cost Bufanos water level sensors, and I worked with Dr. Tissot, and we worked with the low-cost water sensors with nuisance flooding and roads around Corpus.
From fisheries to flooding, interns see how science translates into real-world solutions for coastal communities. Each intern's experience is unique, but together they share one mission: to serve Texas's coastal communities through science, outreach, and innovation. By engaging students from all walks of life, Texas Sea Grant is building a future where coastal communities can participate in and benefit from a sustainable coastal economy. From restoring habitats to helping coastal communities thrive, Texas Sea Grant interns are shaping a more sustainable future for our coast. Ready to join them? Apply today.